Hey travelers, I'm Amber with Gateway Travel, and if you love packing light and making the most of every inch of your suitcase, you're gonna love this list. Today I'm sharing 13 tiny Amazon travel essentials that might be small, but they make a big difference when you're on the go. So whether you're a frequent flyer, road tripper, or just love smart packing, these finds will save you space, keep you organized, and hopefully make travel smoother. So let's jump in. First up are alcohol wipes. This is a great, affordable, small option that you should bring on every trip. And I'm gonna give you a couple situations where this can really come in handy. If you ever are feeling carsick, nauseous, seasick, you can actually tear this open, take a couple sniffs, and that will usually help to subdue that. If your shoes get smelly, you can also wipe the inside of your shoes to help neutralize the odors that are being created. And obviously, you're probably already aware of this, but you can disinfect and sanitize small surfaces like the airplane armrest, lap trays. They can also be used on bug bites or a quick rescue if you misplaced your deodorant to neutralize the bacteria that actually creates those funky smells. As you can see, lots of great uses for these little wipes if you are in a pinch. Next up on the list is Cure Hydration Electrolytes. Traveling, especially by air, can lead to dehydration, making electrolyte balance crucial. Cure Hydration offers a convenient solution with its electrolyte drink mixes. It's really hard to find electrolyte drinks without a bunch of junk, and these are full of great clean ingredients. So this is my go-to preferred brand. These packets are easy to pack, and you simply mix a pack into your water to replenish those essential minerals. They help combat fatigue, jet lag, and honestly just keep you energized throughout your journey. Like I said, these are made with natural ingredients, and they provide a very much more healthy alternative to sugary sports drinks. So whether you're exploring a new city, lounging on the beach, staying hydrated has never been easier with these. Next up, I have a off-brand option available for the Bento Weekend Bag Organizer. A well-organized bag can really transform your travel experience, and the Bag Smart Bento Weekender, that's a mouthful, does just that. It has a really thoughtful design, and it includes multiple compartments to help keep your belongings neatly arranged. The spacious interior accommodates clothing, toiletries, and gadgets with ease. It's made from really durable material, which ensures that it's going to withstand the rigors of travel while still maintaining an adorable appearance. This is a really great budget-friendly option and can be compared to the more expensive bento bag. Next up, I have two different hat solutions for you to look into. We all know that protecting yourself from the sun is essential, and a wide brim hat is a very stylish solution. However, carrying it can be honestly cumbersome. This is where we can look at the magnetic hat clip. This is a small accessory that attaches to your bag strap, securely holding your hat when you're not wearing it. Or maybe you prefer instead a packable hat option that's both waterproof and lightweight. This combination ensures you're prepared for sunny adventures without the hassle of managing bulky headwear. So whether you're hiking or exploring city streets, your hat remains accessible yet out of the way, and this particular one actually folds down into the palm of your hand, which is incredible. Next, we have a small Sling crossbody bag. Navigating a new destination is easier when your essentials are within reach, and a small Sling cross bag offers just that. So this is kind of like a fanny pack, but now instead of wearing it around your waist, you can kind of wear it as a sling. I love this particular one because it has adjustable straps, allowing for a lot of versatility in how you wear it, whether that is across your body or if you prefer around your waist, you can do that too. It has multiple pockets so you can keep your items like phone, wallet, and keys organized into different sections. It's made from durable materials, and I can tell you that it withstands daily wear and tear very well. This bag combines practicality with a sleek design, making it a travel staple. Now this is kind of a different one, but I have two products here because safety is paramount when traveling, and discreet storage solutions like a bra pouch can actually keep your valuables secure. This small pouch attaches to your bra or your belt loop for men. It's ideal for stashing cash or really important documents, and they can be kept away from prying eyes. Similarly, I have a zipper scrunchie for you to check out because it offers a hidden compartment for small items. They blend seamlessly with your attire, providing an unexpected yet effective way to safeguard your belongings. These accessories are especially useful in crowded areas where pickpocketing can be a concern. By incorporating them into your travel gear, you add an extra layer of security. Next, I have the curved premium carrying case. This sleek aluminum storage case is both durable and very compact, making it a perfect companion for any traveler. It fits seamlessly into your bag, or you can attach it with the included clips. It's ideal for storing small items like earplugs, pills, or jewelry, ensuring they don't get lost during your travels. The case's waterproof feature offers a lot of peace of mind against unexpected spills or weather conditions. Keeping your finances organized is effortless with the Vera Bradley mini wallet. Its compact size fits comfortably in small bags or pockets, or even as a lanyard, perfect for the minimalist traveler. Despite its petite design, it offers ample space for your ID, credit cards, and cash. A zippered compartment ensures coins or loose odds and ends stay secure. The wallet's vibrant patterns add a touch of personality to your accessories. It is crafted from very durable material, and it can withstand the demands that travel might put on it, keeping your essentials in order. When you're navigating a new city, Apple AirPods can be your best friend. You never want to have your phone out looking like a tourist or looking like you don't know where you are. So a great option is to actually put your Apple AirPods, or at least one of them, into your ears. This way you can listen to the directions from Google in your ear headphone, helping you blend into the crowd and stay alert while tackling a new city. So in this way, you're just listening to the map directions instead of looking like your phone and being an obvious tourist. I'm all about maintaining cleanliness and security for your bag, and it is really simple with the Clipa Bag Hanger. This compact accessory allows you to hang your purse or bag on tables, counters, restroom stalls, keeping it off the floor, which is huge. When not in use, it can be worn as a bracelet or clipped to your bag strap for easy access. This sleek design complements any style without drawing too much attention. It's a small investment that preserves the longevity and hygiene of your belongings. Don't forget a packable tote bag. Unexpected purchases or additional storage needs are effortlessly managed with a packable tote bag. This lightweight bag folds into a compact size, fitting easily into your primary luggage or purse. That way you always have an extra bag if you need it that doesn't take up too much space. If you don't have an S-Clip yet, you need to get one. These are very affordable options and can save you a lot of heartache, adding a great security feature to any of your favorite bags. You simply clip them on, locking your zippers together, ensuring an extra layer of security against unwanted pickpocketers. Now, for all the ladies out there needing a wonderful one-clip option to ensure no bra straps show, check out this bra clip, which can be so helpful to reduce the amount of undergarments you need to bring and ensure your bra looks good no matter what top you're wearing. These are a lifesaver, so easy to pack, and a great option if you don't have one already. Lastly, we have a wonderful natural chemical-free product that I am loving, and that is a lotion stick. This is definitely preferred to the mess of traveling with like liquid lotion, and this stick is one of my absolute favorites. It smells wonderful, it's easy to use, and it gives me a peace of mind that I'm not gonna have a big lotion disaster on my hands when I open up my suitcase. It also doesn't count towards my TSA liquid limits, which I love. So if you're still here and hanging around, take a second to check out the links in the description. I've got everything listed there for you. If you're passionate about travel, why not turn that passion into something more? Join our team at Gateway Travel, and you can learn more about becoming a travel agent working from home by checking out our live stream Learn About sessions here on YouTube, or even scheduling a one-on-one call so you can ask all your questions. We're here to help, and you can find all the details over in our website, linked in the description below. Happy travels!